cut crease tutorial, period. Well, I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, watch. Whatever floats your boat. Do it, boo. For the YouTube. Anyway, you guys enjoy. Okay guys, first I'm going to start off with my brows, and I'm going to be using Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the color Ebony. I really want a darker brow for this look, so I'm going to be going over the, what's these? The eyebrow hairs a few times just to give it a deeper, darker look. Now to define my eyebrow shape, I'm going to be using LA Pro Girls Concealer in the color Fawn. And I'm just gonna blend that concealer out so it looks more neat. Now I'm gonna be using Too Faced Shadow Insurance just to secure my eyeshadow. Now I'm gonna put my LA Girl Pro Concealer on top just for a little extra security. I'm going to be using my Makeup Forever Lustrous palette in the color M100. I'm just going to apply that in the crease of my eye and drag it out a little bit just so it's at an angle. I'm using the same palette, but I'm using the color ME512 just to blend out the last color. Now I'm going to be using my LA Pro Conceal just to make the cut crease in my shadow. I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Galaxy palette in the color Ultraviolet, and I'm going to place that right in the crease. Now I'm going to do another cut crease underneath the ultraviolet color. I'm going to go back to the Makeup Forever palette and use the color M847 to fill in the rest of my crease. Now I'm just going to clean up the edges. I finished the other eye off camera. Now I'm just adding a little bit more of the ultraviolet color on my inner corner. To prepare my face for foundation, I'm going to be using Too Faced Hangover Primer. For foundation, I'm going to use Becca Cosmetics Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation in the color Maple. Now I'm just using my LA Girl Pro Concealer. And I'm just going to blend that out with my good old Morphe sponge. For definition, I'm using Juvia's Place I Am Magic Foundation in the color 205. Make sure you blend it out really well so it doesn't leave any harsh lines. To set my face, I'm going to be using Laura Mercier setting powder. I'm going to go ahead and brush my jaw and nose area off just so it won't be too matte. For lip liner, I'm going to be using NYX Espresso Lip Pencil. For lipstick, I'm going to be using Morphe's Liquid Lipstick and True Story. I applied 2 layers for an extra pop. Now I'm just brushing away the extra loose setting powder. For more definition, I'm going to use Black Radiance palette in the color Medium to Dark. Now I'm taking that same color, M847 from the Makeup Forever palette, and I'm putting it on my lower lid. Now I'm using Sephora's blush palette. The color I'm using doesn't have a name. Next, I'm going to use Sephora's highlighter palette, which doesn't have a name either. What are we, little key? If y'all don't get that, I don't know. For my lashes, I'm using Lily Lashes Miami Light. If I hop in the biz, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my product bag? I ain't a player, I just got a lot of bag. Y'all know what I'm saying? Let me stop playing and put on my lashes. Now I'm going to be using KKW Beauty's mascara, and I'm going to apply that on my lower lashes and on my lashes as well. To finish it off, I'm going to use the Morphe Continuous Spray, and then I'm just going to fan it so it dries a little quicker. Now this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.